If you still think MacBooks are the only laptops worth buying, you're already behind. Apple has done a great job convincing people that if you want premium quality, crazy speed, and all-day battery life, you have to buy a MacBook. But that is not true anymore. In 2026, there are laptops on the market that hit just as hard, and in some cases, hit even harder. We're talking about machines with sharper displays, more ports, better gaming power, touchscreen options, OLED panels, stronger multitasking, and in some cases, way better value for the money. So no, this is not another MacBook video full of cheap hype. These are real laptops that can seriously challenge Apple's dominance depending on what you actually need. And trust me, some of these picks are going to surprise you. Number 5. Asus ZenBook 14 OLED. Let's start with a laptop that punches way above its weight. The Asus ZenBook 14 OLED is one of those machines that instantly makes you question why people blindly spend so much on a MacBook Air. It's sleek, lightweight, premium, and packs a gorgeous OLED display that looks absolutely stunning for movies, editing, browsing, and everyday use. The colors are richer, the blacks are deeper, and the overall viewing experience feels more exciting than the standard display experience a lot of people are used to. And that matters, because when you use a laptop every day, screen quality changes everything. Performance is also strong enough for students, office work, business users, multitasking, and even light creative workloads. Add in solid battery life, fast storage, and a compact design, and this thing becomes a serious everyday weapon. For people who want a stylish, portable machine without paying the Apple tax, this is a very dangerous option. Number 4. HP Spectre 360/14. Now this is where things start getting interesting. The HP Spectre 360/14 does something MacBooks still refuse to do: give you flexibility. This is a premium 2-in-1 laptop, which means you can use it as a normal laptop, flip it into tent mode, stand mode, or tablet mode, and make it work however you want. That alone gives it an edge for a lot of users. The design is premium, the build quality feels expensive, and the display is absolutely beautiful, especially on OLED configurations. It's great for creators, professionals, students, and anyone who wants a laptop that feels modern instead of locked into one basic form. MacBooks are powerful, sure, but they're also predictable. No touchscreen, no 2-in-1 design, no real flexibility. The Spectre 360 comes in and attacks all of those weak spots. And if you like a laptop that feels premium but also useful, this one is a beast.
Number 3. Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i. If you want raw power mixed with premium quality, the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i is an absolute monster. This laptop is for people who want more than just clean branding and battery life. It's for people who actually push their machines. Video editing, graphic design, heavy multitasking, creative apps, demanding workflows, this thing is built to handle serious work. The display is one of the biggest highlights here. It looks sharp, vibrant, and high-end, making it ideal for productivity and content creation. The keyboard is excellent, the build is premium, and the performance can go way beyond what a basic thin and light laptop is expected to deliver. This is where the conversation gets real. Because once you compare laptops like this to a MacBook, you realize Apple is not automatically winning every category, not even close. If your workflow demands power and versatility, the Yoga Pro 9i can feel like the smarter buy. Number 2. Dell XPS 14. The Dell XPS line has been one of the most serious MacBook alternatives for years, and the XPS 14 keeps that fight going. This laptop looks premium, feels premium, and performs like a machine that means business. The design is clean, modern, and sharp. It gives off that high-end feel people usually chase when they go for Apple, but Dell adds its own flavor with a more edge-to-edge look and strong Windows productivity appeal. The display options are excellent, the performance is strong, and the overall machine feels like it was built for people who want a premium experience without being trapped in Apple's ecosystem. That part matters more than ever. A lot of users want freedom. They want to connect more accessories, run the apps they want, game if they feel like it, upgrade their workflow, and not feel boxed in. That's exactly where something like the XPS 14 becomes incredibly attractive. It's sleek, powerful, and polished, and for many users, it genuinely feels more practical than a MacBook.
Number 1. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. And this is the one that really shakes the table. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is the laptop that completely destroys the idea that MacBooks are untouchable. This machine blends premium design, serious portability, and ridiculous performance into one package. Unlike a MacBook, this thing is not pretending to be powerful, it actually is. You get the kind of performance that can handle gaming, editing, rendering, streaming, multitasking, and demanding professional work without breaking a sweat. And despite all that power, it still manages to look clean, modern, and premium enough to sit in a classroom, office, or studio without screaming for attention. This is what makes it so impressive. The G14 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a full-on powerhouse that can replace multiple devices for the right user. And that's something MacBooks struggle with when gaming is part of the conversation. So if you want a laptop that looks sharp, travels easily, and absolutely destroys heavy workloads, this is one of the most surprising and most dangerous alternatives on the market. Outro. So, are these laptops really better than MacBooks? For some people, yes, easily. If you want better gaming, more flexibility, more ports, touchscreen features, OLED displays, or just more value for your money, these laptops prove that Apple is no longer the automatic winner. MacBooks are still great, but they are not the only premium option anymore, and they are definitely not the best choice for everyone. That's why these laptops might surprise you.